Don't trash it, guys. Reuse it. Yes, this plastic bag right here. I know you're looking at it like, oh my God, it's trash. Let's throw it away. No, 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 no. Don't you do that. I'm going to go ahead and give you 3 hacks on how you can go ahead and reuse this plastic bag at home in your garden. Whether you're a beginner gardener, whether you're someone who gardened for 3 or 4 years, or if you're a pro gardener, this is for everybody to go ahead and try out. First thing first, this is a produce bag you get for the grocery store, supermarket. You put your vegetables in, your fruits in, all that good stuff. Soil in this bag? Yes, soil. Get some seeds. You're going to poke some holes to the bottom. Boop, 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 boop. Close it up, just like this. Because you know, once you grow seeds in the beginning, the seeds love heat, it loves humidity. It got to be hot and moist. So once your seeds inside the bag like this, and it's tied up, you sit it outside, depending on your location. You got a plant light, whatever you got, and then it's going to actually grow. And remember, it's tied up, so it stay hot more. And then once the seeds start to grow, and they need a little air, it needs some breeze, you guess what? Take it out the knot, and now it's open, okay? It's open. And the good thing about this baggie too is it got 2 little things right here. You can go ahead and sit on like a hook. Whether you're outside in your backyard, you got a gate, you can put it on your gate, let it drip down, or you can just DIY somewhere where it can hang at. And just like that, y'all. So boop. Second hack, you can take this bag right here and use it to cover your seeds, because you know what, seeds again need humidity, need to be hot, need to be moist. So what you can go ahead and do, let's say this right here is like my seeds, where I got like, you know, my little potato, my seeds growing. And then I'll take my seedlings, for example, and I put it inside the bag like this, okay? And then guess what I do? I go ahead and tie a knot again. So my seeds inside the bag, under plant light, outside, whatever you got going on, and it's going to keep my plants, my seeding moist, very hot, and it's going to grow very, very good. So that's number 2 hack of actually using the plastic bag as repurposing it, okay? The third hack, y'all, is, again, kitchen scrap. Take it and I put it in the plastic bag, and I put it in my freezer. Why? Because I don't have the space to actually go outside and put my compost in like a bin, or, you know, I don't have that, so I gotta do what I gotta do. And this plastic bag right here is perfectly for me. I'll take it like this. Let me show you guys one moment how I go ahead and do it. So this is my compost scraps right here. I went ahead and chopped off some potato skins and carrot skins that I do not eat. Now, again, how you go ahead and do that, it's self-obvious, you know. You take your scraps, boom, like this, and you go ahead and put in the plastic bag. Okay, you put how much you want. Again, you tie it up, not too tight. Bam. And you put it in the freezer. And it stays very good. It will not get freezer burn. And whenever you're ready to go ahead and take this and put in your compost, you take it out, let it throw it out, and then to the garden, it goes, yo. And that is it. Those are 3 tips today for don't trash it, reuse it, okay? Make sure you guys follow for more, because I got more coming your way, y'all. You know, we bought on the budget. We garden the budget. We're going to save everything we can go ahead and save, because the money don't grow on trees. Well, it do grow on trees because it's paper, but not in my backyard, because I don't have a backyard, okay, y'all? So, guess what? Don't be afraid to reuse what you got to reuse, because at the end of the day, everything is like made to repurpose. That's what it is today. So thanks again for watching. Peace. Happy gardening.